wooden chicken coop and bird cage design ideas, creating a safe and stylish haven. Welcome back. Today we are dividing into the world of wooden chicken coops and bird cages, exploring innovative designs that provide both safety and style for home featured friends. Whether you are a backyard chicken keeper or a bird lover looking to create a cozy habitat, this wood based design will inspire you elevate for feathered companions living space. So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 Action. So if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon on this video. Share to your friends and family members who want to see this video. Let's start with the classic, the rustic of frame chicken coop constructed from sturdy wood panels. This timeless design offers ample space for your chickens to roam and roast. Add a corrugated metal roof for a charming farmhouse touch, and don't forget crafting windows for natural light and ventilation. So if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon on this video. Share to your friends and family members. For our feathers friend in rows, consider a multi-level every bird cage. Crafted from durable wooden and wire mesh, this spacious enclosure provides plenty of room of bird to fly a perch. Add branches and swings for increment and customize each level with nesting boxes and feeding situations for a truly creative experience. Take your kitchens on the move with a portable chicken tractor made from lightweight wood and wire mesh. This mobile coop allows you to float and graze on fresh grass while remaining protected from predators. Simply attract wheels for easy maneuverability around your yard, ensuring your kitchen always serves access and fresh organic. Add a touch of fishme of your outdoor space with a hanging birdhouse crafted from reclaimed wood or a natural branches. These charming shelters provide a cozy nesting spot for a small bird. Hang them from trees and pergolas to picturesque every right as your backyard. So like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon on this video. Share to your friends and family members. There you have it at wood based design that kitchen coops and bird cage that provides both safety and style. Whether you are a housing backyard chickens or indoor birds, these innovative designs are sure enhance the living space and enrich their lives. Which idea you will craft in your feather friends? Let's know comments below and be sure like, share, subscribe for more bird friend